Hello everybody, I just wanted to come here and wish you guys a happy new year. I kind of recorded this video sometime in November and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the content to come this year. And I really want to thank you guys for the marvelous support of the past year and for your continuous support, the interaction, the engagement. I really appreciate it all. And yes, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the videos to come, and yeah, stay blessed in this new year because 2020 was really not the best, but what can we say? We move. Hello everybody, per the title, you know what's going down. Before we start the whole process, before we start the whole process, if you're new, hit the subscribe button, join the fam, let's get to know each other. If you're old, hey y'all. So I'm literally going to wash my hair, come back here with section and see what we are going to do, because me now I'm confused. So first, I'm putting the Vaseline around my hair, around my face, around my neck, everywhere, because I'm messy and it's messy in its color. So that's the indigo blue, and I'm gonna show you the baby blue. Again, instead of using just the color, I feel like doing an ombre, you know, indigo, and then the baby will be at the tips, but then the light part is not that much. Anyways, I am mixing some of the indigo and the baby blue so that that'll be like at the tips or something, and I'm going to start using the indigo on my hair. So yeah, let's start applying. Okay, so as you can see, I'm applying the indigo blue. Indigo blue has a violet undertone. I didn't want the blue that had a black undertone. Indigo blue has a violet undertone, and I'm applying it. That's why it looks kind of like violet or purple or something. So I'm applying it, and I take the little mixture of the baby blue and then the indigo blue and put it at the ends. The lighten part is so short, so that won't do anything, but we are still going to do it. And my hair is not so lightened that like the color pops, but it doesn't matter. Okay, anyways, that's the color. I'm all done. My hand is all looking blue and stuff, so hopefully this will go well. What I did was I mixed some of the baby blue in the indigo blue and used it for my whole head without like sectioning or whatever. I just put that on my whole head. So that's my hair looking all blue, looking all blue, and I'm going to tie this up, put a plastic bag over it, and then wait for about hours. I literally waited. I almost slept in this and someone called me, so that's that. Okay, so that's my hair looking blue. You can't really see it, but it's blue. It looks like a midnight kind of blue. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but then my hair is blue now. I don't know if it's showing. If I watch this and it's not showing, I'll probably take a picture and put it around here so that you guys can see. But it seems like the baby blue took around here. Let me see if I can get you guys closer. Baby blue took a lot around here, and it's kind of like a really nice mixture. I wish I hadn't I always wish I hadn't mixed. See my hands, use gloves, but this will go by tomorrow. So I always wish I hadn't used how do you call it, I didn't use the two colors that I always use. But then maybe I should have made the baby blue a lot more. After that, I mixed the baby blue with the indigo blue, and I used it to like go all in so that in case I missed any spots. But hey, you all come see me in person, yeah, because like I'm loving this hair. But I'm going to get some twist. I'm going to get like really micro twist. It will be kind of like a salon vlog. If you're up for that, comment in the comment section, because yeah, it's really micro. They call it Senegalese twist, but it's literally just really small micro twists that I do. I'm going to get that and we'll see if the ombre effects kind of like took. Went to the salon, washed it so much it turned to an aquamarine kind of like blue, because yellow and blue make green, I guess, because the twist will kind of like tell kind of vibe. I'm honestly pleased with the color. It's so all in all, everything looks kind of like a mix of how should I say, it looks like midnight blue. Again, if you can see the color, I'll probably put a picture at the end of this whole thing so that you guys can see how the color actually looks. But I think it's picking it up a little bit. You can see on this side it's a little bit lighter and ashy. That's how baby blue is. Baby blue is kind of like a little bit on the ashy blue kind of like side. I'm absolutely loving the color. It looks so good and I'm extremely happy. I don't know, my neck is just looking like, I don't know. So I keep like checking my neck like what's on my neck. But anywho, if you guys love this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, do hit the subscribe button, join the fam, help us grow. Let's grow together. Yeah, if you have any requests or any other videos you want me to film, comment in the comment section. If you want me to show you how to keep your color for a longer period, because this is semi-permanent, so it's supposed to fade as you keep on washing it. But I'm even going for twists. So if you guys want kind of like, you know, some 3 minutes video on how to keep this kind of color in for a long time, you can comment in the comment section and I would do that. And if you have any other video suggestions, comment in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the video. Hope you give this video a thick fat thumbs up. Hope you hit the subscribe button, join the fam, click the notification bell so that I get notified anytime I post a video, and have a lovely day. Bye.